Hey guys, what's up? I am Vaibhav Suryavanshi, educator, academician. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube Vijay's Technical channel. In this lecture, we are going to deal with basically numerical based on the block diagram reduction technique. In the last lecture, we have discussed how exactly the different types of the block diagram reductions rules can be applied and how the numerical based on the block diagram reduction techniques can be solved. In this lecture, we are going to be dealt with some of the more numerical. So let us see how we can solve the number of numerical. So in last lecture, we are going to deal with a number of rules applied for the block diagram reduction techniques, such as a cascade parallel system, moving the summing point behind the block, moving the summing point ahead of the block, then pick off point behind of the block, pick off point ahead of the block. Then we have also discussed how we can eliminate the feedback loop control system, how to swap to the neighboring the summing points with respect to each other. Now with the help of this rule, what we have discussed in the last lecture already, we have going to understood how the numerical based on the block diagram reduction can be solved. So see here, this is the one of the numerical provided, that in which the two gains are provided like this way along with the feedback system. So these are the feedback system. How we can identify this is the feedback system? So basically there are the comparator has been provided over here along with the different sign conditions, and one more gain is in the input gain, or we can call it as an open loop system. So we have to decide first how we can solve the block diagram reduction, or how we can make the system simple. For that purpose, we need to understood which gain first of all we can make the simplify. So my friends, if we can consider this H1s, H2s and the H3s combinedly, and we can make the combination of all those three feedback with this, the system becomes more complex. But if we can make the combination of these three feedback first with respect to this gain provided, then we can get converted this system into a single transfer loop control system. So let us see how we can solve this kind of the numerical. So see here, so these are the provided numerical for the block diagram reduction technique. So we can convert this basically the feedback loop system into the single loop system. So if we see here, this is the converted into the single loop system with the three comparator. We can get converted into the one comparator with the whatever the sign provided for the feedback loop control system. These are the feedback provided over here. This is negative feedback, this is positive feedback, and this is again negative feedback. The sign kept as it is, but we can convert it into a single loop or the single branch of the input function with the one comparator. So the next thing what we can do now, see here, these two gains are into the series. And what is the rule for the series application? So we have to multiply the gain values with respect to each other, and we have to be right into the single block. So if I consider these two gains over here, so G3s into the G2s we can write into the single block, and these are the simply we have to add, because we know that the comparator provided over here, we just have to be apply the signs for the respective feedback, and we just have to make the addition. So if I consider here minus, so what is the sign here? Minus. So what it becomes a minus H1, yes, okay. Then the second one is plus H2s, and the third one is the minus of H3 of s. When we can make the simplifications, we get the H1s, because this sign, minus sign we can keep inside. So because of that, this plus sign become a minus sign, and this minus sign become a plus sign, and we get a single loop. Now if we see carefully, that time we can observe that these are into the feedback loop control system. Now a simple eliminating of the feedback loop control system rule we can apply it over here. By the rule we can get converted, or we can reduce this block into the single transferable transfer function block. See how we can make it simplification. So simply we can solve by the equation or the rule G upon 1 plus or minus G into the H. So here G3s into the G2s plus 1 upon G3s into the G2s into H1 of s minus H2 of s plus H3 of s. So this is the rule applied over here, and we can reduce it the single block, which is the simple form of the gain value. Now just now see here, this G1s and this total block are into the series. So what is the rule, my friends, for the reduction of this kind of the blocks? You just have to be multiply. So that is what we are going to do over here, and see G3s, G2s, G1s, and the rest of the things at the denominator kept as it is, that is 1 plus G3 of s, G2 of s into bracket H1 of s minus H2 of s plus h3 of s. So we can get converted into a single transferable function in the form of a output to the input form, and this is the final form of the equation. In this way we can solve the numerical based block diagram reduction technique. Now again we can see the next numerical how we can solve this. So what is provided over here in this example? See, here are the two feedback loops are provided. This is the third feedback is provided to this two feedback. So again my friends, the question arises which block we can solve first. Now here we need to identify how we can make the system simple. If we consider this feedback and this feedback, and if we reduce these two feedback first of all, then the system becomes a simple, rather than we can solve this feedback with respect to this two feedback. So the same thing we are going to do. Let us see how we can do that for here. If I consider this one is the one feedback loop, this one is the second feedback loop. So the applying the feedback loop here, G1 upon, because G1 open loop system with the comparator, the negative feedback provided because negative sign provided over here. So it becomes G1 upon 1 plus G1 into H1, because you have to take the open loop first and then the feedback. So G1, why plus? Because here the negative feedback, so we have considered here the sign plus feedback. Why? That we already discussed into the my last lecture. Okay. Similarly here G2 upon 1, here the sign provided is a negative feedback. So simplification we have to make it as a positive, or we can how to be convert into the positive feedback. So 1 plus G2 into the H2, the gain becomes a G2 upon 1 plus G2 into the H2. So now this becomes a very simplified form by eliminating the feedback loop control system. Now the next step is what? These two are into the series. So what is the rule, my friends, for the solving this kind of the series block? So for that gain you just have to be multiplied. See, so that's why it becomes G1 into G2 upon 1 plus G1 into H1 plus 1 plus G2 into the H2. Okay, this is converted into the single open loop system which is in feedback H3 with this loop provided over here. So again, by applying the elimination rule, that is a feedback loop rule here, we can solve the block, or we can reduce the block. See how? Now this is the total term is a G, and this is the term H. So just apply the feedback. So what is G? G1 upon G1 G2 into the upon 1 plus G1 into H1 plus 1 upon G2 into the H2 divided by 1 y plus, because negative feedback provided here, so it becomes a plus over here, into G. G is the total term. So G1 G2 upon 1 plus G1 into H1 plus 1 plus G2 into the H2 into the H3. So just make the system. So just applying the feedback loop system, and by simplifying, the system becomes a G1 upon G2. This term and this term, by after the simplification, gets nullified, and we get as a 1 plus G1 H1 into 1 plus G2 H2 plus G1 into G2 into the H3. So in this way we can make the block diagram reduction technique. We can solve it with the very simplified form. This is very simple to understand. For that purpose you can see the video carefully, so that in this way we have to stop for this particular lecture. This is my YouTube technical channel, that is Vijay's Technical. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, because we are actually proceeding for the purpose of the online revolution for the education. So keep in mind, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.